Okay, so part 2 is the actual content calendar. So, right now, February 2026, ito yung calendar natin. So, yun, Monday, we have Welcome to AF, or other term is AF in point 5. So, yung, ano yun, basically yung sa camera ng iPhone, point 5. But di naman necessarily na iPhone yung gamitin. Parang ano lang siya, pakulo lang. But anyways, yun, welcome to AF, yung ating Monday ganap, content for Monday. Tapos, yung Tuesday, no specific naman tayo. And then Wednesday is yung ating members transformation. So, yan yung before and after. And then Thursday, yan yung Be a Purple Warrior. Yan yung mga newly joined member or NJMs. Tapos yung pick nila with KeyFab. Tapos Friday is member statement. And then Saturday is supposedly egg day, or this is a video post tayo dapat every Saturday. And then Sunday is yung ating hiring or yung ating merchant highlight or merchant partners or purple perks. So yan, ito yung weekly na kailangan nating i-follow na post. Ito yung mga kailangan nating i-prepare na contents. And also, dahil meron nga din tayong GX almost every day sa mga clubs, so ideally, pwede rin natin silang i-post. Pwedeng on the spot na may nag-GX ngayon and then mag-capture lang tayo ng picture, or much better kung video, and then post din natin agad on the spot. Tapos, yan. So, every day, mayroon tayong content, especially yung Tuesday kasi wala naman tayong specific na content for Tuesday. So, yan. Yung GX clip will suffice naman.